Hi friends, today we have a nice problem. 8 to the power 2m plus 2 to the power 3m is equal to 6. So we have to find out value of m, right? So this can be written as 2 cube to the power 2m plus this 2 to the power 3m is equal to 6, right? Now this can be written as 2 to the power 3m square, right, plus 2 to the power 3m is equal to 6, right, because a to the power m to the power n is equal to a to the power n to the power m is equal to a to the power mn, right? So this change took place, right? Let 2 to the power 3m is equal to t, right? So this equation will transform as t square plus t is equal to 6, right? So t square plus t minus 6 is equal to 0, right? If we factorize this equation, so t square minus 2t plus 3t, right? This is minus 6 is equal to 0, okay? If we take t as common, so we have t minus 2 plus 3 as common, t minus 2 is equal to 0, right? T minus 2 common, so t plus 3 is equal to 0, right? Now we can say t minus 2 is equal to 0 or t plus 3 is equal to 0, right? So t is equal to 2, right? As we have assumed 2 to the power 3m is equal to t, right? So we can write 2 to the power 3m in place of t is equal to 2, right? Power 1. Now same base, so 3m is equal to 1, right? Or m is equal to 1 by 3, right? If we check 8 to the power 2m plus 2 to the power 3m is equal to 6, right? So 2 cube to the power 2m plus 2 to the power 3m is equal to 6, right? So 2 to the power 6m plus 2 to the power 3m is equal to 6, right? So 2 to the power 6 into m 1 by 3 plus 2 to the power 3 into m 1 by 3 is equal to 6, okay? So 3 2 ja 2 times, so this 2 square plus 2 is equal to 6, right? So 4 plus 2 is equal to 6 or 6 is equal